Larger organizations often have numerous employees sending messages through branded social accounts. However, each additional employee publishing on the organization's social channels adds a degree of risk. For example, that something will inadvertently be posted that's off-brand, incorrect, or that breaches regulatory policies. This is especially true for new employees. To ensure all outgoing social messages are well-crafted and on-brand, Hootsuite offers a robust message approval process. To set up approvals, navigate to your organization details. Click Social Networks in the desired organization, and select the network that requires approvals. Then, click Profile Settings and authorize Hootsuite to access the network. Now, select the approver for this network. If necessary, add a second approver. Second approvers will only see messages once they've been greenlighted by the first approver. From here, admins can also remove and manage approvers for that social network. With our approvers in place, we'll now set posting permissions for individual team members. Under Members, you can restrict or expand a team member's posting privileges for this network. For example, when set to Limited, any social post, comment, or reply made by that person will require approval by the designated approver. Sometimes, team members require approval for specific actions and not others. In this case, admins can set custom approval permissions. Now, when this team member attempts to publish a message, the approvers get a notification. Additionally, approvers can get email notifications by subscribing to notifications in Settings. Approvers can view social posts, comments, and replies awaiting their review in the Content section of the publisher, under Require My Approval. From here, messages can be approved, which sends it to the second approver, or rejected, which brings up the option to send the message back to its author with a comment. If the message just needs a simple tweak, approvers can edit the message themselves before approving it. A useful feature of approvals, especially for regulated industries, is View Approval History, which lets team members see a time-stamped audit trail of status changes for a specific message. Team members will receive a notification and an email if one of their messages has been approved, rejected, or deleted. Under the Scheduled tab, team members can view all their approved messages, and messages that are not yet approved are under the Pending Approval tab. Under the Rejected tab, post authors, admins, or anyone specified in the approval process can see the rejected messages, along with any rationale or constructive suggestions provided. Taking the feedback into account, team members can easily revise their message and then resubmit for approval. Once you feel confident that a team member no longer needs to have all their messages, comments, and replies vetted, you can change their network permissions to a less restricted setting.